Hello guys, we are running a new giveaway on this channel. We are giving 40 TRX to 25 people. The choice is yours. Thank you. Hi everyone, in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most popular deep learning frameworks. Whether you're a seasoned AI practitioner or just starting out, these frameworks can help you build, train, and deploy machine learning models more efficiently. First up is TensorFlow. Is an open-source platform developed by Google for creating and training machine learning models. It's one of the most popular deep learning frameworks, with a large community and extensive documentation. TensorFlow offers a variety of tools for data preprocessing, visualization, and model deployment, making it a great choice for both research and production use. And at number 2 is scikit-learn. Is another open-source framework for machine learning, focused primarily on traditional machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, and clustering. It's built on top of NumPy and SciPy, making it easy to integrate with other data science tools. Scikit-learn is known for its simple, efficient, and well-documented API, making it a great choice for data scientists and machine learning practitioners. Our third pick is Pheno. Is a deep learning framework that's optimized for fast computation on both CPUs and GPUs. It's designed to work seamlessly with the Python programming language, making it easy to write, test, and deploy deep learning models. Pheno also includes tools for optimizing the performance of your models, allowing you to train larger and more complex models more efficiently. And at number 4 is CAF. Is a deep learning framework developed by the Berkeley Vision and Learning Center. It's designed to be fast and efficient, with a focus on image classification and other computer vision tasks. CAF includes pre-trained models for many popular image classification datasets, making it easy to get started with deep learning for computer vision. Our last pick is Keras. Is a high-level deep learning framework that runs on top of TensorFlow, Pheno, or CNTK. It's designed to be easy to use, with a simple and intuitive API that makes it easy to build and train machine learning models. Keras supports a wide variety of neural network architectures, including feed-forward networks, convolutional networks, and recurrent networks. In conclusion, these are some of the most popular deep learning frameworks available today. Whether you're looking for a framework that's optimized for performance, ease of use, or a combination of both, there's a framework out there that's right for you. If you're just starting out with deep learning, it's a good idea to try out a few different frameworks and see which one works best for your specific use case. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your deep learning projects. See you in the next video.